Good morning. We are from 8P.
Today our idiom is break a leg. It means good luck.
Hi, Harry. Are you ready for the school singing contest?
Yes. Yes, but I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry. Practice a lot.
Yeah, you do great.
Break a leg, Harry.
Thank you. Wait, why do you want me to break my leg?
Haha, break a leg is an idiom.
Yeah, it means good luck.
Oh, thank you guys. I get it now.
Go do your best.
Break a leg,
Harry.
Harry. Can someone tell us what the idiom break a leg means?
Good luck.
Yeah, bro, take your candy.
Everyone, please repeat after me. Break a leg. Break a leg. Thank you.